You got some.
Back up a little bit.
If you got some metal plates,
Alright. Where's the blade then, John?
In it? I don't know.
Oh, stop!
I thought you said go.
I was good and then I wasn't.
You alright?
What did your map suck at?
Is it bleeding?
No, yeah. You still there?
Some of it.
You alright, bro?
No, I hate this Bronco.
No, it comes out.
Broke it.
You broke what?
Bolt broke.
Oh, that's cool.
Ow. Oh, the front one's off.
Sweet.
It broke.
We'll get it.
You don't need to lift it that much.
How much you gonna lift it?
Well, I got a feeling there's gonna be issues under here that we're gonna have issues with.
As far as what?
Poly mounts sit being completely rusted through and
Well, that's what the polyurethane's for, right?
Slow. Slow.
Whoa.
What was that?
The fan on the shroud.
The thing popping past the bumper.
Alright, you're gonna have to take it back.
We're hitting the fan shroud.
Yeah, here. Pop it back down.
Coming down.
We gotta block this up over here.
Yeah, the shrouds up above the fan and jump in there.
Do you, boo-boo? You ain't saying shit? Nope. What'd you say?
I didn't think anyone was talking. Only
You know what? My van has done a phenomenal job, okay?
Let's just do this.
Yeah.
where's you been?
At the shop.
Why?
Because I don't want to drive it.
Oh, okay. What, is it because
He wants to drive the Chevrolet.
Is it because it's a Ford?
He said he got places to
No.
go. He needs to get there.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Are you going
I
now?
don't know if you wanted to watch this side while I'm going up.
I was gonna watch you, so I was just gonna go for it.
Well,
Yeah.
Setting this.
Because it's not yours yet.
fly me to the moon. Whoop, take it up easy. Go ahead. Easy. Easy does it. Easy. Easy does it.
We're looking okay up here as far as tugging on anything.
You good? Good? Yep.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Some things are moving. How much more we need, Dean?
That's pretty good there. I'm separating. In
Yes,
the back. In the back, I am.
I'm just starting to pull on some of the things mounted to the fenders up here.
On like the brake lines and shit.
Well, more like all this evap shit's pulling down the fender, and I mean we can go more. I just was
Get a
seeing
little
where we're
more bump.
at. Okay, we're starting to creak over there.
Leave that. Leave that. I think that's enough.
Yeah, here's where the problem is, Dean. Come on over and look this back one.
Where's my phone? Why is it not catching this?
Oh, it's on video. Right here.
Did I get the steering wheel checked? No. I uncovered it so you can see it, but that was about as far as I got. And then I was like, wait, there's an easier job on the other side. We gotta do that. And that's how we got here. This is that time of the project when everyone starts taking the easy spots. And I'm not any different. Where'd that flashlight go?
I'll just pick it up and whatever breaks, and we'll just assess the damage later. That's kind of the same thing.
I want to see John do a burnout the Bronco.
I'd love to see the Bronco do a burnout. Or a Bronco. You know why they don't do burnouts?
Why?
They don't run.
That's a good reason. Believe it or not.
You would think if you would learn, John, you'd just go buy a Chevy. Something.
Well, I think the
If you ain't working on it so much, just go buy me one.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I mean, it's in your yard.
Oh, yes.
Some more action. Hot action.
Make sure the camera's getting that hot action.
Get all of it. Can I put a little pride on there? Oh, he did it.
Hey, Bean?
He did it. I'm a slave for you. What?
Does it look like that will come off there?
I can't see it. Over here.
Squeeze.
I'm too fat to fit between the door and the bumper.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Only if you think you are.
I mean, if you don't mind me breaking your door, don't break the door.
Roughly about there.
No, you're off. Come back. Come back. Keep coming. Right about there, Steve. Oh, yeah. Oh.
It's not touching very well.
Oh.
Gets better.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh. Got my eye.
Did it?
Yeah, look.
Get up. You got the camera too. You alright? Alright. Push the button, Bean. Ooh, the button. Okay. AC line that goes across the top here is hooked up. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's starting to get some. Oh, bumper?
Yeah, I'm on the bumper.
Move that radiator hose.
This one?
Yeah. Just lay it on it. Yeah, something like that. That's perfect.
Alright, hold on, Bean. You caught on that thing. And come.
You know, you're gonna do the walk around.
Yeah.
We're good back here.
Sweet. I mean, we're basically off.
Just
You gotta
trying.
keep going up.
Well, we're working on it.
We're on the.
Here,
We gotta go. Yeah.
Pull that.
It's on the steering. You gotta go back. Go back with it, Bean.
Back this way.
No, towards the back of the truck. It's in the because of the steering linkage, steering thing.
You're caught on a clip of some sort, I think. Actually, no, you're good. Yeah, keep going.
Alright, hold on.
Something's pulling.
Right here. What is this?
Scroll down, back down.
Bean, look underneath.
Back down, back
Alright.
down. The disconnect's right here. Go back down a little.
I can't. The thing's loud.
Oh, never mind. It's right here. You gotta push that.
Where's the
No, it's disconnected. It's just hanging there. Got it.
Sweet.
No, this has got disconnected. It goes right to the motor. I don't know how you guys missed that.
I was looking for that.
It's only the giant harness. Yeah, that works better. Yeah.
You're gonna have to guide that out of there, John.
You got the double clutch in there,
Sorry, babe.
bro.
Sorry. Pound on the trigger.
See that?
That's why I wouldn't let me be a cop, because they know I'll be double tapping families.
Everything else look clear?
I got a feeling we're almost to the ceiling.
Oh my god. Look at that. Would you just look at that? Do you want some paint?
No.
It's gorgeous right there. Wow, this one's way worse.
Oh, that's the worst one ever. Oh, here I go.
Oh, damn. Hmm?
So that little project turned out to be quite the deal, and we knew it would be. That's John's Bronco. We've been working on it for the last couple of years here and there. It was at Bean's house for a while, and then it was here for a while, and we've been working on it for a long time, long before this channel ever started. So you're finally getting to see it. We go in spurts on that thing. We work on it for a little while, and then other things come up. It's life with things like this. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll check you out on the next one.